A very good morning, students. Today we will going to discuss about the principles of the insurance. Now let's talk about it. The first one is the principles of the utmost good faith. Now, if there is any material facts deliberately hidden, the insurer will consider it as a fraudulent. So there should be a faith between the insurer and the insured person. Now the second one is the principle of the insurable interest. The insurable interest means the insured or the insured object due to the relationship of the financial interest. There is a legal by the law between the insured and the insured object. The financial interest upon the insured object will then become the basis of the insured contract. The following are the few examples of its applications: motor vehicle, place of the residence, or other valuable properties insured by the owner. The head of the family or the main wage earner insures him or herself in the life, health, or the personal accidental insurance for the sake of the family in the case he or she may no longer be productive in earning income. Now, the principle of indemnity. Indemnity is the insurance principle that regulates the mechanism of the compensation. This mechanism in the insurer's effort to grant the compensation to the insured to restore the financial position of the insured uh, back to the way in which the right before the loss occurred. Now, fourth one is the principle of subrogation. Subrogation is the insurance principle in which it gives the right to the indemnification of the insured to insurer to request the compensation from the third party which causes a loss. The right is to claim is given if the insurer has settled the compensation to the insured. Next one is the principle of contribution. Contribution of the principle of the insurance which applies in the insured object is insured by two or more insurers. In the case, the loss insured will be covered together according to the liability of the insurance. This principle only applies to the Indemnity Insurance Contract Act. Now, the next one is the principle of the approximate cost. Uh, when buying your insurance policy, you're more likely to go through the process by which to select which instance you and your property will be covered for, and which ones they will not. They will be not. Now, this is where you are selecting which the proximate cost are causes are covered. If you ended up in the accident, then the proximate cost will have the investigated as the insurance company validates that the covered of the incident. Now the last one is the principle of the loss minimization. This final principle creates the insurance contract that most simple or probably in the certain events. In the certain events, it is ensured that the responsibility to take all the precautions to minimize the loss to the insured property. The insurance contract shouldn't be about getting the free stuff every time something bad happens. Therefore, the little responsibility is bestowed upon the insured to take all the measures possible to minimize the losses of the property. So that's all for the day, students. I hope you like this video. If you're having any query or doubt, you can discuss me in the live session as well. Thank you so much, students. Have a great day.